Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Are you an affiliate marketer struggling to build your home based business online? Maybe you're working really, really hard trying to sell your products and your services to anybody who will listen to you. Well, you're doing it wrong because not everyone will buy what you have. What you have, the best things in sliced bread, is not for everybody, okay? You can say the right things to the wrong people and they will never buy. On the flip side is you can say the wrong thing to the right person and they will buy from you all the time. So, in this training, we're going to share with you a solution that I learned from the Legacy Builders training. But first of all, who am I? I am the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I help mothers learn the skills to start to build and grow a sustainable digital business online. Now, in this video, I want to share with you some valuable insight training that I learned from being a member of the Legacy Builder program, where let me actually just go ahead and share my screen and show you where I got access to the training. This is our private member site here, and this is the training that I'm going through here, digital growth community. So all these ticks here are all the lessons I've gone through, and at the moment I am over here about finding your ideal customers, right? So I want to share with you what I've learned from Michelle. By the way, Michelle, the founder of this program, went from earning zero to earning 1.6 million in 20 months. Okay, so she knows what she's talking about, and not only has she earned that amount of money, she's actually helping countless of hundreds and hundreds of people earn 3 figures, 4 figures, 5 figures online. And not only will I share with you my proof of what I've earned by following her training, I will also share with you proof of our community who are sharing their results every single day with us. Okay, so what I learned from this training, let me show you here. If I go again, what I learned from, I'm on this, like if I click this here, right? The way she does it is she actually goes through the training through a live training, and then she breaks we break out into breakout groups, and in the breakup groups, this is where mentorship and coaching happens, where people are able to share, to unmute themselves and actually work on building their business. It's very, very powerful, right? So I've gone through the first, second, and I'm on this one here. I'm on the third one here, and it's very, very powerful training because the recordings then show Michelle, who is a 6-figure earner, talking members like you, talking them through exactly what they need to do in order to increase the leads and conversion rates. Okay, very, very powerful. So by watching even the recordings, I'm still able to get value from that. So what Michelle talks about is that you have to know who your target audience is. And the best way that she recommends is that you should think about yourself years back before you actually made it online, or if you haven't made it, you can think of yourself now, right? Think about who it is that your target audience is, and your target audience is ideally you, right? So think about what are the pain points, what are they going through, and what they're actually looking for. Okay, so have it crystal clear in your head who your target audience is. So in the live coaching of those people who were saying the target audience is affiliate marketers, others were saying it's single mothers, others were saying it's dads, others were saying it's families. So you have to figure out, and the best way for you to be relatable is to actually pick a target audience that's similar to you, that's gone through what you've gone through, so they can relate to you. So based on that training, I was able to conclude that my avatar is single moms. Okay, so I could broaden it up a bit and say moms, or I can even narrow it down by saying single moms. Single moms who are sick and tired of exchanging the time for money, because when you exchange your time for money, you're actually taking time away from your family in order to go out there and get that money, right? So in 2024, there is a better way for you to actually earn that money to take care of your family without having to be away from them for 8 hours, or 8, 10, 12 hours, however long that is. So that is my avatar. Somebody, a single mother out there who's not getting any support from her ex-partner, husband, whatsoever, because if something happens that people, when you split up, some people, some partners don't actually support your kids, right? So you're there on your own with these kids and you have to feed them. So that is my avatar, because that's who I am. Okay, I've been there, where I'm there as a single mother of 2 children, supporting them all by myself. Okay, so that's the first one. And then the second thing that she talks about is how what you want to be known for. Okay, so you have to craft a message about what you want people to know you for. So for me, I have to kind of zone into this a bit, but it's just I want people to know that they don't have to exchange their time for money. They've been scammed to say they have to spend the best years of their lives, most of the hours of the day, going out there exchanging the time for money, and then whatever's little, and they just get paid just enough to get by, and whatever is left, whatever time is left, they're able to then spend with the family, right? So I know from my personal experience how tough that can be, missing out on moments with your children. So my message is that, okay, that there is a better way. We have a better way, and you don't have to have any skills, any knowledge, create any products. You can actually leverage other people's products and get paid 100% direct commissions as if you created the product yourself. Okay, so those are the takeaways I got from that training. Absolutely powerful, amazing training, and this is actually helping me right now zone in my message. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to share with you proof of how I've been doing so far in this training. So with the training, I've been able to generate 68 leads so far. I'll just refresh this so you can see in real time that I've been able to earn $900. And you can see here, 28th of June is when I actually started, 29th of June, and these are my stats. But wait, there's more, because we have a community where we get access to even more training, right? So if I go to classroom here, you can see there's all this training. We have a 90-day success blueprint, 90-day legacy run. We have a vault here full of content that you can use, mindset training, social media training, replays, so much training here. But I haven't even touched this, right? Because right now, as I've shown you, I'm focused on this training here in the members area, right? This is our calendar, by the way. This is where we get the live interactive training. So today is Tuesday. We have these trainings coming up that I can jump onto. And then tomorrow we have this training there. And then Wednesday we have that training. So 3 times a week we have training, and the training shows in your time as well, which is fantastic. And the members here, we have over 28,000 now. Over 28,000 paid members in our community. If I go back to the community here, let me show you. I'm blown away if I click here on wins by the wins that are people who are sharing the wins, right? So Julie Miller, just now, right now, as I'm saying this, there's 264 members. So Julie is one of them. She goes, I did it. Okay, I finally got my stripe. Okay, that's okay. Just talking about experience. And then Reggie says, first ding, that was 50 minutes ago, 8 weeks into a program, and I've made my first ding. Wow, right? And then soon, 5 hours ago, this is a South African flag. She's going $600 just before the new 90-day program launch. She's absolutely delighted. Progress, my first sale 25 minutes ago, 3 months, and it's finally a $200 sale. Okay, the system works if you work it. Just commit to it. It may take you 8 weeks, it might take you 3 months. Krista today says 300 ping, whoop whoop, another $300 sale. Another Kenny 6 minutes ago, this is another $600 ding. Charlene says $300 on the very cold Tuesday morning, so an hour ago. Oh, that $300 will warm her up. First sale 1 day ago. Wow, I made my first sale, $900 in 8 weeks. Okay, winning. Oh, hey, yo, normal dude, 2,200 today. She made this. Dale 7 days ago made 2,200 7 days ago. And then the week before that, they made 7,200. And then first 40 days, 52,000. Okay, there's people who are making money. 18 hours ago, hit 10,000 today, right? Allison 18 hours ago was at the pool with the kiddos. $900 just came in, and that $900 took her up to 10,000, right, on the 8th of July, baby. And then here, Christelle 6 days ago, 3,948 hours. Diane 20 hours ago, over 40,000 in 6 weeks. So there's people here. Anton 8 hours ago just woke up and made another $900 today. Ben was doing live and he did $900 during his live. So there's people here. 7 days ago, Renee, I blew past 30K goal. Fantastic. Alan, 41,920. Okay. He set a goal to 50,000 by 30th of June. And in the first 90 days, he earned 18,000. The next 90 days, another 23,000. Right. So this is money that people are earning and sharing. 1,200 Monday, starting the week off strong. Well, that was 12 hours ago. Danielle. Right, I could go on and on. There's pages and pages, up to 397 pages of people sharing their wins, okay? So if you are interested in learning the skills that you need to actually start to build and grow a sustainable digital business, I invite you to click the link below to take our system for a test drive. I'll be there to welcome you directly on the inside. Feel free to respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I want to see you win. When you win, I win. Our community wins. Together we win. No more trying to figure it out by yourself. We have a proven blueprint that works. All you have to be is coachable, teachable, take action, and remain consistent. It could take you 8 weeks, 3 months, but as long as you follow the training, you could be one of those people to get those results. So I'm extremely delighted, excited. It took me about a week to get my first sale. So I'm excited about more sales coming in. I'm here on vacation in Malawi, and I'm able to still build my business. It's truly global and still earn those direct commissions, right? So feel free to take it for a test drive and reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have to help you make an informed decision, see if this is the right fit for you. I have been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.